This video will demonstrate the Subscription Studio, which is an administrative function within the Surety and Surety Pro programs. The Subscription Studio is a function that allows the purchase or renewal of Surety or Surety Pro subscriptions. It also allows to upgrade any current team member in the account or add on features such as the Deed Studio to any account. To demonstrate this, I'm going to log into my account here. This particular account is expiring in a few days, so it will contain a yellow banner across the top of the map. To access the Subscription Studio, we can simply click on the Renew Now link. If you have not purchased Surety or Surety Pro yet, there will be a Buy Now link. Otherwise, at any point during your subscription time, you can go to the Admin dropdown and click on Subscription Studio. Let's click on the Renew Now link here. Again, this will open up our Subscription Studio and offer us a variety of different things to accomplish. The first thing you might notice is the bouncing arrow in the upper right corner. This indicates what the next step is in the process to purchase or upgrade. The first thing I want to point out is the question mark icon here in the upper panel of your Subscription Studio. When used, we can accomplish specific tasks. Simply click on the task that you want to accomplish, such as add a location. The arrow will jump over to the appropriate button or icon in order for you to complete that task. I'm going to click back on my overview icon, and it will bump us back to our beginning stage here. So the interface is made up of different tiles, and we can see who is within the account by looking at the tiles. The colors will indicate which team members are active in blue or green, and which team members have been set as inactive, which is in red. The inactive members will not be renewed or purchased when we complete our checkout. We can reactivate any team member by clicking on the plus button next to them, and it will confirm and turn this account back to blue. From here, we want to pick which subscription type to use for this team member. The S on the bottom is indicating our Surety product. The SP is our Surety Pro. AO is an administrative only, which is a free subscription that has access only to the administrative functions. And the DS is the option for the Deed Studio. For this particular one, I will click on the SP to add a Surety Pro license to this account. You'll see that the button itself turns an orange color, which indicates that this is assigned but not purchased yet. The green buttons indicate that they are or they have been purchased. Say I wanted to add the Deed Studio to one of my subscriptions. The Deed Studio requires Surety Pro to be active, so if I click on this, it will indicate that is removing the Surety license, adding the Surety Pro license, and then also adding the Deed Studio license. Here we can see that the S is crossed out now, and the Surety Pro and the DS for Deed Studio is now highlighted in orange to indicate that it's pending. If we want to remove a subscription type, we click on that button again, and it will ask if you want to remove. And it will take that amount off of our cart in the upper right. To deactivate a license again, we would click the X in the upper right-hand corner of it. From the tiles themselves, we can do a couple different functions. If we click on the ellipses, we can edit the team member information. We can assign a different profession, or we can manage the API key associated with this login. You can also see that there is a company tile indicating the company information. From here, we can use the ellipses to edit our company information or upload a tax exemption form if your company has been tax exempt. Some of the options on the top bar of the Subscription Studio are a search function. This is mainly used for larger accounts, and can be used to narrow our list of users. So if we search for, say, last name, it will narrow the results down to just the appropriate results. To get back to our full company, we can just simply remove the search and click search again. We have a tile and list view button. If we click this, our view will change to a different layout. Click it again and to return to the tile view. The Add Team Member button can be clicked and used to add a new profile to the subscription. Once that team member has been added, you would need to add or assign the type of surety product to it. If we click the globe, we can add a new location or manage the current locations in the company. The document will allow us to see the team member usage. This includes when the last login date for any of the team members have been, as well as a map count. We can print or save this report by clicking the print icon. We can go up and close our tab that it generated to get back to our subscription studio. The credit card button will allow us to view our previous invoices that we have generated within the account. Once we are ready to check out, we can click on the shopping cart icon. It will bring us into our cart summary. From here, we can see what we are doing and what we are adding to the account. If we click on the View dropdown, we can get a different type of report, and it will show us more information depending on the view you click. Scrolling down, we can see that we can apply a promo code if we have one. We can pay with our check or credit card, view the refund policy, or return to our previous company overview. If we click on Pay with Credit Card, we can see that it again confirms our invoice. You would fill in the information for the credit card and click our Next button. From here, we can choose to pay with either PayPal account or fill in our credit card information. You can also choose to pay with a check. Just note that the account will not become active until we receive that payment and update your account. Thank you for watching the Subscription Studio tutorial video.